Only on Bahawalpur.
In the name of Allah, who is the most magnificent and merciful. Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. Today we have a car, Nissan Dayz. Nissan Dayz. It's having Punjab registration. Scratchless car. Fresh import 2019 to 2022. Have a look on backside. A very nice condition. It's 40,000 driven. Family used car. Let's have a look inside the car. Neat from inside. It's approx 40,000, 41,445 driven. Fresh vehicle. Already installed. You can take a look on Porsche as well. Nowadays it's very good economical car because it's giving 20 to 22 average mileage on 1 liter of petrol. So guys, if you want to purchase this car, please go on to the subscription link of Park Wheels. Thank you everyone.
Only on Bahawalpur.